Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 and S26 Plus. So let's begin the video. To set up the fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series, all you need to do is simply navigate to Setting and then select the lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on the screen lock and biometrics, and then from here simply select fingerprint. Now, if you haven't set up the backup security lock yet on your phone, you will be asked to create one. You can choose a PIN, password or pattern, and in this case, I will be selecting the PIN. So you have to enter your PIN and confirm it and then tap on Done. And now from this page, you have to tap Continue twice. Then select Register. Now follow the on-screen instructions to add your fingerprint. Place your finger on the sensor and lift it repeatedly, slightly moving your finger each time so the phone can capture all the pulse of your finger. And keep doing this until the progress reach 100%. So once your fingerprint is successfully added, you can choose to add another finger or simply tap Done to finish. Now once you have registered, you just need to lock your phone and place the finger on the sensor to unlock your device. As you can see, I'm placing my finger on the sensor and it is easily unlocking the device. So guys, this is the simplest method through which you can register your fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.